Everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to In the Booth. We've got some painting to do in the booth today. I'm at my normal day job and we've got a load of bonnets. These are all reworks, so I've had to bag these off and mask these off in different areas. So we've got a top and a side. We've got a full side on this one. We've got just a top on that one and a side on this one to do. So quite a bit involved on the masking because you have to bag under these as well. You have to put the bag on the trestle first and loop these under, because some of the grills in these bonnets are sort of silicone sealed in, so you can't get them out. So you have to really do some fiddly masking. So I'm going to do some base coating. We're going to colour the sides up, and then I'll take you through some clear coating with the DV1. We'll drop some clear coat down. The spray gun for the base coat, I'm using the GTI Pro Light on 1.4. Got the base coat mixed up. I'll stick you on the cap cam. Enjoy the video and I'll see you in the clear coating stage. On that first little video clip, you see me going and just went over the real light areas, just put a little dust over, let that go off. Don't want to hit it too wet or then burn through bit areas because you can get a little bit of reaction. So just build it up nice and light, and I'm just starting to get the colour up now on these. They're just starting to come in and get coloured. So I just keep building this up nice and light, building it up. You can still just see a faint halo here where it is. We'll just keep loading it up, just building it nice and light to get full colour. So quite simple. Gun pressure on the Pro Light, I'm running just under 20 psi. I'll do drop coats on this as well. I'll back off, do some drop coats just to get the metallic nice when it's all ready to go. So nice and simple, take your time, don't have to rush paint, just put your paint down nice and light, build it up, build the layers up. So I'm going to let this flash off, grab a coffee and just a couple more coats, and then we'll move on to the clear coat stage. So I'll see you in a bit. Right guys, we have got all the colour done, gone down nice silky smooth on them. So just build it up nice and light, and I've just done 2 nice drop coats over these. I'm going to let these flash off. Next stage on these will be to blow these down, tack them off, and I'm going to stack gun all the bag and everything down. Everything in will be stack gunned off, and then we'll get set up for clear coat. I'm going to be using the DV1 PPG clear, and we'll drop a couple of coats on these bonnets. So I will see you in the clear coat stage. first coat down. My knees were giving way when I was bending down on this one here. Got trouble with my knees, and it's just like being in the booth once a week. You're sort of relaxing, it's getting back into it. But we've dropped a nice coat down for the first coat. You get a few little dirt nibs that land in this. I stacked all these off before I did it, but that's the first coat gone down. You can see the dirt nibs that land in it, and you've got to load it up on the second to bury this stuff. So a nice coat with the DV1. Didn't go, I'm gone full fluid, where I'm just bringing the trigger to where I want it, sort of like half trigger, just taking the time, put the clear down, and we will go like sort of full trigger on the next one, bring the overlap in a little bit more, put a thicker coat on. So I'll let these flash off and I'll see you in the second coat. Second coat down. Nice finish, but absolutely covered in dirt. This booth is absolutely filthy. It's got loads of dried out. They sweep it out and then wet it down before I came in, and as it's drying out it's just kicking up. So we've got a load of dirt nibs in the top, but a nice finish, but just dirt nibs. And this one's a little bit cleaner. Nice finish again, but just the dirt nibs, same as this one, just the dirt nibs that are on the top. Nice clean finish again, nice gloss on that. And this one. So all done. DV1 settings, full fluid, 2-bar pressure. Open the fan fully up, then just bring the fan, I'll just go one turn in on the fan, just use the trigger, sort of half triggered the first one, and then just full triggered on the second, slowed it down sort of a bit, sort of the same sort of coat for me on these 2 wet coats. Job done. So I hope you enjoyed it. A little bit of clear coating, a little bit of base coating, something different than Fenders. It's Bonnets, so I'm going to jump back out there. We've got some more prep, we've got loads more of these to do. Got to look round them because they're sort of returns, damaged ones, so it'll be sides, tops and things like that, and there's loads of blow-ins on these as well around So thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, click that subscribe, press that notification, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys.